Imagine earning thousands of dollars by creating images without even touching Photoshop. That's exactly what thousands of creators are doing in 2026. All thanks to Midjourney AI. In this video, we'll uncover how to turn your creativity into cash flow using Midjourney. From selling AI art online to building passive income stores, I'll show you everything, step by step. Let's dive in. Section 1. What is Midjourney AI? Midjourney is an AI image generator that transforms text into stunning visuals. Type a prompt, like a futuristic city made of glass under neon skies, and boom, you get masterpiece-level artwork. In 2026, Midjourney v7.5 is faster, smarter, and supports realistic 8K cinematic 3D renderings. But it's not just for fun, people are building entire income streams around it. Section 2. Real ways people earn with Midjourney. Here's how creators are using Midjourney to make money. Selling digital art, upload on Etsy, Redbubble, Creative Fabrica, passive sales forever, YouTube and social media content. Create AI, art time-lapse, videos or reels, gives monetize your channel. Freelancing and branding. Offer AI logo design, book cover design, or NFT visuals on Fiverr and Up. Print-on-demand stores. Design t-shirts, mugs, and posters. Giz connect to Shopify. Giz let automation handle sales. Custom AI prompt services. Sell prompt bundles for $5.50 AH. Literally selling words that make art. Section 3. How to master prompts. Prompting equals money, skill. Structure every prompt like this. Subject plus style, lighting plus color, camera type plus emotion plus environment. Example, cyberpunk samurai standing under neon lights, cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed, 8K realism. Blade glowing blue, save your best performing prompts in Notion, reuse and sell later. Section 4. Setting up your AI art business. Step-by-step setup. Create Midjourney plus Discord account. Set resolution to AR16:9 for widescreen designs. Organize artwork, folders, logos, posters, characters. Fantasy art. Create branding. Logo plus watermark Canva. Set up a digital storefront Etsy, Gumroad. Always include the AI generated in descriptions. Transparency builds trust and keeps things ethical. Section 5. Building a client base. Target niches that sell fitness brands. T-shirt. Art fantasy. Gaming illustrations. Motivational posters. Book and album covers. Outreach message example. Hey Nem, I design AI-powered art that fits your brand's energy. Run a few samples. Even 3 to 5 consistent clients paying $200 a month equals strong base income. Section 6. Pricing strategy. Started. $25 per artwork. Standard $75 for 5 custom visuals. Premium, $250 monthly. Retainer, 30 to 40 images. Clients pay more for branding consistency, not just random images. Section 7. Passive income setup. Etsy store. Upload art sets, posters, wallpapers, templates. Each design can sell 100 plus times. Redbubble. Automate product. Uploads. Shirts. Hoodies. Phone cases. Gumroad KO fee. Sell prompt bundles or art packs. Example. 100 Midjourney prompts, 4 book covers, $9. Even 20 sales day equals $180 passive daily. Section 8. Automation and time savers. To scale your AI art business, use Zapier gives auto-upload art to stores. Use Canva. Magic Studio gives text and layout refinement. Use Notion track ideas, prompts and uploads. Every repetitive task. Automate Italiano. You'll free up hours to focus on creativity. Section 9. Building your personal brand. Start posting daily art reels. Before, after AI transformations, and short tutorials. Use captions like, "This image made me $75 using Midjourney AI. Engaging visuals plus proof equals rapid growth." Your followers become buyers. Section 10, expanding to agency level. Once your designs start selling, bring help on. Hire one VA to manage uploads, one artist for concept ideas. Turn your solo brand into an AI art studio. Offer complete packages, branding kits, poster sets, game visuals. You manage the systems, gives your team executes. Section 11, ethics and legal clarity. Always credit your AI process. Use original prompts. Avoid copying others' styles directly. Transparency protects your brand and future collaborations. Section 12. Future of AI art 2026 and beyond. Upcoming trends to prepare for. Real-time prompt collaboration, multi-AI integration, ChatGPT, plus Midjourney, plus Runway, interactive art NFTs, dynamic print on demand, personalization. Adopt early equals lead the game. So by now, you know exactly how people are building full-time incomes with Midjourney AI. In 2026, you don't need luck. You need a system. Start your first art piece today. Upload, promote, repeat, and watch your creativity turn into real profit. This is the digital moneymaker, helping you earn smarter, not harder. Quick video summary. Tool Midjourney AI. Use Create plus Sell. AI artwork. Potential add $5,000 per month via Freelancing Plus stores. Methods Etsy, Redbubble, Fiverr. Print on demand. Subscribe gives the digital moneymaker.